In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Sheet available offline on a computer. If you ever lose internet or work while traveling, enabling offline access is a lifesaver. In just a few clicks, you can set up Google Drive so your recent Google Sheets, docs, and slides are available even without a connection, and any edits you make will sync the next time you're online. Start by opening your web browser and going to drive.google.com. This is the home base for your files in Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the account that holds the files you want to work with. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click the gear icon for Settings. From the menu that appears, select Settings to open the full Settings panel. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Create, Open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Check the box next to this wording. What this does is download your recent files to your device so they're ready to open and edit without internet access. It's device-specific, so if you use multiple computers, you'll want this enabled on each one you plan to use offline. After checking the box, click Done to save your changes and close the panel. Give your browser a moment to prepare things in the background. The initial setup may take a little time, as Google Drive stores the most recent versions of your files on your device. Keep the browser open and let it finish working, especially if you have a lot of documents or a slower connection. Once that's complete, you can open drive.google.com. Even without internet and your recent Google Sheets, along with docs and slides, will be ready to open and edit. Any changes you make offline will queue up, then automatically sync the next time you're connected. A few tips to make this smoother. Offline access uses some local storage, so having a bit of free space helps. If you switch between multiple Google accounts in your browser, double-check you're enabling offline for the correct one. And if you don't see the offline checkbox, it may be disabled by your organization or temporarily hidden. Refreshing the page after signing in can help. That's all there is to it. By turning on this single setting in Google Drive, your Google Sheets become reliably available when you need them most, whether you're on a flight, at a cafe with spotty Wi-Fi, or simply working without distractions.